Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's a new Zodiac season, which means I have a new nail art look featuring the new shade of the season from Butter London's Zodiac Nail Vault. This is the 11th video in my Zodiac series, and if you want to see the unboxing of this kit and the swatches of the 12 shades, I'll leave a card in the corner of your screen and in the description below. For each new Zodiac season, I'm using the shade of the season from the Nail Vault to create a nail art look, and I'm putting them together into one playlist, which I'll have linked down below. The Cancer shade in the Zodiac Nail Vault is Cotton Buds, and I chose to create a marble design with this white polish. This season it says, "You take others' feelings into consideration, making you loyal and reliable. Your associated color is an opaque white cream that embodies your nurturing and resilient side." So for this design, I'm going to start off with 2 coats of Cotton Buds, which has become my current favorite white nail polish. This is such a well-loved polish in my collection and definitely my go-to white cream. Then I'll apply a couple drops of London Fog from the kit, which is a medium gray cream polish, onto a scrap piece of paper, and then I'll dab a little piece of a makeup sponge into it. And I'll sponge that randomly onto my nail, and I'm going to make the pattern a little different on each nail. And this is just going to help add a little bit of dimension to the marble pattern. Then with London Fog and Earl Grey, which is a darker charcoal gray shade, I'll apply those 2 shades to a piece of paper and dip a scrunched up piece of cling film into the polishes. I dabbed off the excess, and then I dabbed whatever was left on the cling film onto my nail. Next, I went in with a liner brush dipped into Earl Grey to paint the marble veins, and remember, the more jagged and irregular the lines are, the better the marble effect will be. I felt like the veins were a little too dark and striking, so I went back in with the cling film and Cotton Buds, and then I cleaned up any polish around my nail with a brush dipped in some acetone. Finally, I finished off with the design with a layer of the Hardware Shine UV top coat, which also comes in the Zodiac kit. And here is the finished marble design. That's all for today's nail art video. If you want to see more nail art featuring the shades from the Butter London Zodiac Nail Vault, then be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss out on the upcoming videos. And if you want to check out the swatches of the polishes from the Zodiac Nail Vault, or my last design featuring the Gemini shade Yellow Submarine, you can check out those videos or the playlist by clicking the link on your screen or in the description below. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!